Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about some daily habits that can harm your heart health and what you can do to avoid them. The heart is one of the most vital organs in our body. It pumps blood to every cell and tissue, delivering oxygen and nutrients. It also helps regulate our blood pressure, temperature, and metabolism. But did you know that some of the things we do every day can damage our heart and increase our risk of cardiovascular diseases? Here are some of the common habits that can hurt your heart and how to break them. Smoking. Smoking is one of the worst things you can do for your heart. It damages the lining of your arteries, increases your blood pressure, reduces your oxygen levels, and makes your blood more likely to clot. Smoking can also cause inflammation, which can lead to plaque buildup and narrowing of your arteries. This can lead to heart attack, stroke, or peripheral artery disease. If you smoke, the best thing you can do for your heart is to quit. There are many resources and treatments available to help you quit smoking. You can also ask your doctor or pharmacist for advice. Eating too much salt. Salt is essential for our body, but too much of it can raise our blood pressure and strain our heart. High blood pressure can damage the walls of our arteries and make them more prone to plaque formation and hardening. This can reduce the blood flow to our heart and other organs, causing chest pain, heart failure, or kidney problems. The recommended daily intake of salt for adults is no more than 6 grams, which is about 1 teaspoon. However, most of us consume much more than that, mainly from processed and packaged foods. To reduce your salt intake, you can cook your own meals using fresh ingredients, avoid adding salt to your food, and check the nutrition labels of the products you buy. Drinking too much alcohol. Alcohol can have some benefits for our heart, such as raising our good cholesterol and preventing blood clots. However, drinking too much alcohol can have the opposite effect. It can increase our blood pressure, triglycerides, and calories, which can lead to obesity, diabetes, and liver disease. It can also weaken our heart muscle, causing irregular heartbeat, cardiomyopathy, or heart failure. The recommended limit for alcohol consumption is no more than 14 units per week for both men and women, which is equivalent to 6 glasses of wine, 6 pints of beer, or 14 shots of liquor. You should also have some alcohol-free days every week and avoid binge drinking. Sitting too much. Sitting for long periods of time can have negative effects on our heart and overall health. It can slow down our metabolism, lower our good cholesterol, and increase our blood sugar and blood pressure. It can also make us gain weight, which can put extra stress on our heart. To prevent this, we should try to move more throughout the day. We should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate physical activity per week, which can be broken down into smaller sessions of 10 minutes or more. We should also take breaks from sitting every 30 minutes and do some stretching, walking, or standing. Sleeping too little or too much. Sleep is important for our heart health, as it helps our body repair and regenerate. It also helps regulate our hormones, blood pressure, and blood sugar. However, getting too little or too much sleep can have negative consequences for our heart. Sleeping less than 6 hours per night can increase our risk of high blood pressure, obesity, diabetes, and heart attack. Sleeping more than 9 hours per night can also increase our risk of obesity, diabetes, and stroke. The optimal amount of sleep for most adults is between 7 to 8 hours per night. To improve your sleep quality, you can follow a regular sleep schedule, avoid caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine before bed, and create a comfortable and dark sleeping environment. These are some of the daily habits that can destroy your heart and how to avoid them. By making some simple changes in your lifestyle, you can protect your heart and improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and advice. See you next time.